Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Typeform with Salesforce. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at typeform.com or log into our existing account. Once we do that, as you can see, on the top side of your screen there's a create option or connect option. Let's go with the connect option first. Once we click there, you will see there are like 78 apps that are up to integrate through Typeform, but we are interested in Salesforce, which is actually, as you can see, you have to upgrade your plan to get this integration working. It's not free, but if you want to make it free-ish, let's go and use third-party application. I've decided to use Automate.io. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video. Once we're in here, let's go to the top corner of our screen and click on our integrations. Once we click there, let's go to the bottom left part and see all categories. Right now we can pick the apps that we want to integrate, so we want to start with Typeform first. On the opposite side, we want to go with its counterpart, which will be Salesforce. Straight away we are greeted with some popular integrations between those two, but if you won't be able to find the one that you are looking for, scroll down so you can create your own integration. Just remember, on the left side, underneath the triggers, we want to go with the Typeform. So there's only one option, so it's easy for you. On the opposite side, underneath the actions, you want to go with the Salesforce. We have tons of options, but I'm going with the first one just to show you how you can make this integration work. You can go with the one that you obviously need. All we have to do now is click on Try It Now button. We'll get redirected to sign up page, and all we have to do is either log in or register to our already existing account. And yeah, we are a few clicks away from finishing this integration. We can also use Zapier.com, which is a quite similar app to Automate.io. So let's create an account and let's go to the top left corner of our screen and click on Create Zap. First of all, we have to set up a trigger. So as you probably thought, it's Typeform, trigger event, there's only also one, continue. Now we have to log into the account at Typeform, continue. Setup form is the political survey demo that we started. As you can see, it's the political survey demo. The only workspace that I have added this account, continue. And now we can test our trigger between Typeform and Zapier itself. On the second action, we want to go and write down Salesforce. Pick an event, I'm going with the first one, continue. And now we just have to log into our existing account, and that's about it. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.